back to All About Josie, and today I'm going to be doing Slime Week, I believe, number 4, and it's Slime Week Day 1. So, let's get started. Today I'm going to be making pom-pom slime. So the first thing that you need for pom-pom slime is clear glue, which I'm going to be making a tiny one actually today. I'll probably just add it to the one that I already made. I don't have that much clear glue, as you can tell. Kind of. But I don't have that much. So, I'm just gonna let this go down. Okay, there I got as much clear glue as I can get. I'm so sorry that I look so dark. Sorry. I knocked over my camera. I turned like really dark earlier because it's like in the evening, so it's not like really bright. So I got some clear glue in that bowl, not that much, but I got some. And then you need to activate your slime, which actually I kind of forgot my activator. So I'll just run and go get it. And I forgot one other thing, but I got it now, of course, because I remembered that I forgot it. Okay, I got my activator. So this is my activator. My activator is my laundry detergent. So, oops. And I'll just do a drizzle at a time. Because you just put a little bit and then you mix it goodly in. That's so ridiculous. Oh my gosh, I'm so bright now. You're just gonna have to wait for it to... There we go. That's better. I just got it in my hair. Oh well. Oh my gosh. Now it's on my shoulder. At least it's just clear glue. And it can wash up. So just put a little bit at a time. Oh dear. And then mix it all the way in. Now my hair is going to be stuck to my shoulder. Let me get a napkin. For this madness. Sorry. I'm going to activate some more. Until it's coming away from the sides of the bowl and the bottom sometimes. So, now I got a good base. And I may add a little bit more, because sometimes it looks like this and it's like really sticky. So I'm going to add a little bit more, and I'm going to go in with my hands. So, here we go. Now I'm going to be mixing this in with my hands. And sorry that the lighting is terrible. It's just, as I said, it's in the evening, so it's kind of terrible. Okay. There we go. Got it. There we go. I'm brighter now. It's in the evening, so it's kind of crazy. So I'm either really bright or I'm really dark. So don't mind that. Now we're going to treat it some more. As you can tell, I have a really small batch of slime because I didn't have that much clear glue. So, yeah. Alright. My shirt is falling down. Okay. There we go. Feels pretty good. Which it needs to be. This slime does need to be a little bit sticky because of us adding some pom-poms into it. So now I'm just going to clean up the bowl with the slime and stuff and all that like I always do. Oh, great. Oh dear. Slime just went everywhere. Get it. Because I don't know if you saw, but on my vlog channel, I made a vlog about my new puppy. And I don't want him getting the slime. So, if you haven't checked that video out, go check it out. There we go. Sorry, I was adjusting the lighting. Oh dear, I broke my spoon. I mean, it's a plastic spoon anyway. But, I mean, I didn't want to waste them. So, probably wasn't the best. I'll still put it in the recycle. You never know what they can do with it. Sorry. My mom's phone was ringing. And she has Let There Be Cowgirls as her ringtone. And I like it, so. And it's a really fun song. And the next thing that you need for pom-pom slime is pom-poms. So I have my pom-poms in this container right here. In the sparkly container that I actually painted myself. So as you can tell, I have some pom-poms in here. So I'm going to put a few in here. Not a lot. I'm going to put mainly little ones. And one really pretty giant one, if I can find a really... Okay. I found one good giant one. I don't really like the giant ones because it kind of sticks it up and doesn't make it slime that much anymore. So, and I'll put one other blue one in there. Oops. I forgot to put the stuff that was in it back in it. Which is just some glitter and this little sheet of paper of how to make colorful pineapples, which will be one of my DIYs, just not right now. So I have to buy some. I have to buy the supplies at some point. So with your slime that's a little sticky, all you have to do is just add the pom-poms in. And like pom-poms are really cheap. Like when you go to the store and stuff. Apparently, this slime can probably hold a little bit more. So I'll get a little bit more. And because it's not that big of a deal, I'm just not really going to move the things that was there. I didn't realize that it could hold some more. But yes, it could, clearly, because I put some around that. Oh, great. We kept escaping. So this should be your final result. Maybe you like more pom-poms, but this is my final result. With the pom-pom slime. So pretty and colorful. It makes the best sounds. So now we're gonna go over to that table that I always have to play my slime on with, because you know, as I told you in like my first slime video ever. Oh great, hold on. This chair won't budge. Sorry, the reason why I said that was because that's the thing that usually like helps my phone stand up. Okay, so here is the slime. Oh, so colorful. It makes a bunch of noises. Some good noises. So now let's do the Insta-Swirl test. This isn't the best thing to do that with, but since this one is small and it doesn't have too many in it, it may actually kind of work. Oh great. My Insta-Swirl, it's not the best one to make Insta-Swirls with, but it's still a good slime. Sorry, I just saw my puppy with my Rebella Swiffer. So, yeah. Now let's do the stretch. Oh my gosh. Now let's do the stretch test. So stretchy. As long as you don't pull it too fast. Because if you pull it too fast, it rips. But, I mean, it's still a good slime. It's probably that big pom-pom that's making it kind of a little bit bad. But it's still a good slime. It's just not the best slime ever. But it's a really good slime. So, yeah. Now let's do the pokey test. Which you can't really do that with this one. Bubble pops. Now slime bubble. I just did bubble, slime bubble. Here's it. Nope. It kind of does the slime bubble. It does make some good crunches and stuff, and it's really good to squish. So, yeah. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell. Hit it. Ring that bell and share. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.